think we're gonna go for a bit of the meat there first. A lot of nice tasty pork. Let's try. Ooh, that chili sauce, that's amazing. Take a look at all this chili oil, that's amazing. Let's have a bite. So much flavor. Just take a look at all this nice meat inside. Oh, this is really heaven. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy these amazing noodles and this burger here. Come back, relax a bit, so see a bit outside. Good morning and welcome to Beijing. The sun is shining and it's 27 degrees outside. Pretty crazy. I've already gotten in actually 18,600 steps. Not sure if you can see, but I was up early this morning actually editing videos for 4 hours. I was planning to sleep until 5:30 because I was up quite late yesterday, but then I woke up at 4 anyways, but no problem. So now I'm out walking, gonna go and exercise, but I just wanted to share a little bit of thinking of how I make sure I get what I want in life basically. So I think it's very important to have a schedule and planning what you want to accomplish each day. So basically this morning I woke up and the plan was to finish editing one video and upload it before I go on this walk. And what I've been doing lately, which is even more crazy, is to make sure I'm gonna reach my goal to get in the best shape of my life before midsummer. And to do that, I bought this treadmill so I can actually walk while I'm working on editing at home. So now, even before I went on this walk, I had 14,000 steps. Now I'm at 19,000. Now I'm gonna walk a bit, practice Chinese. That's another goal I have. Because I think if you rely on motivation, waking up and think, oh, today I'm gonna be really motivated, that might not be the case. But if you plan it, you put it in the calendar, you say 4:30 Saturday morning, I'm gonna go there. And then today, 10 a.m., I'm gonna meet with this fitness group and exercise. It will happen. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So I plan to make sure that I don't fail. That's just some crazy tips I wanted to share with you. Now I'm gonna keep on walking and enjoy this amazing weather and go and better get some exercise. Fantastic, we got the biking here to the starting spot and we're gonna go and start exercise.
Hold the handles right in your chest, you squat down, and then press overhead. Three, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh yes, good to get some exercise in. Hey, welcome to the party. Fantastic Saturday morning for some exercise. Oh yes. Oh, skipping rope is definitely a good way to get the pulse up, especially reminds me of my quarantine days when I moved to Beijing. Not so fun memories, but we got through it. Oh yeah, let's get that run going, get the pulse up. It's great to get some core activation in the morning.
It's just a hand wash.
Nice to get a bit of a leg stretch. Oh yes, let's get this burpees in. Nothing beats getting some pulse up in the morning. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Let's go! Alright team, we're finishing up. Last 3 seconds and we go in 3, 2, 1.
Oh yes. Fantastic. Great job. Welcome back. Good job. Great. Fantastic start today. Now let's stretch and get the coffee. Okay, so we're out walking the street now again. It was really nice to meet up all these friends again, have the exercise, and then sit down and enjoy some brunch. I only had a bit of a coffee here, ice americano, saving some space for later, but a lot of other people had some nice toast and other stuff. But now I'm actually back here again at the Oil Spilled Noodles spot. I went here last weekend, but then I ordered the wrong thing. So I figured I need to go in here again because I'm gonna be in Sweden for quite a few weeks later. I wanna enjoy some Chinese food here. Definitely not the healthiest, but I'm gonna have the spicy one this time and probably some raw jamon. So let's go in and get it. Oh yes, here we have some good stuff coming in. Oh yes, that is looking crazy nice. You have all the meat and the vegetables and you have this little hamburger. Okay, so we finally got this insanely meal here. We got this nice little raw jamon here. It's kind of like a Chinese hamburger. Very, very crispy. And of course we have this insane bowl of noodles. We have some pork and some garlic and a lot of fantastic chili. Just amazing. Oh, I just reward a bit after all that exercise, so let's try it one by one. I think we're gonna start with that protein here, important. A lot of fat, but also very crispy. Let's have a bite. Brings back some good memories from my Shanghai times. Used to have this kind of a lunch. Not so healthy, but very, very tasty. Just take a look at all this nice meat inside. Oh, this is really heaven. Definitely great to get some protein after all that exercise. Okay, now of course, let's try to dig into this insane bowl here. It's a bit tricky to eat. You're supposed to kind of mix it up here, but have a look here first. I think we're gonna go for a bit of that meat there first. A lot of nice tasty pork. Let's try. Ooh, that chili sauce, that's amazing. Let's see if you can dig out some of this. Wow, crazy noodles. That, definitely should mix it up. Take a look at all this chili oil. That's amazing. Let's have a bite. So much flavor. Have a bit of a closer look here. Ooh, so much stuff going on. Let's get a huge bite. That's incredible. You have all these amazing pickles going on and this crazy mountain of noodles. Oh, I just love this. Let's have a bit of a mixed situation here with a lot of bean sprouts and meat and noodles. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy these amazing noodles and this burger here. Come back, relax a bit, so see a bit outside. Whew, that was an extremely enjoyable meal, I can tell you that much. A lot of oil, garlic and chili, amazing flavors, just like an explosion. But obviously not so healthy for you, so I typically only eat something like this like maybe once a week, if even that. Probably even less seldom actually. But I'm going to Sweden for a while, as I mentioned. I want to enjoy this a bit in the moment. Definitely for me, for dinner, I'm gonna cook something else. I'm gonna walk, probably buy some chicken tenders now. Maybe some potatoes, vegetables, we'll see. Keep it healthy. Just wanna get to my goal here, but also enjoy a little bit along the way. So I'm gonna end it here to show that a little bit in the background. But it's all about balance in life, getting your goals and reward after the exercise. So if you wanna see more of this kind of small daily random vlogs, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.